Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google autofill. You need to begin by opening the device's settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. After that, tap on autofill with Google, and this switcher next to use autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google autofill is disabled. But you can always enable it by tapping on the same, now gray switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!